Today's English fairy tale that I'm going to say is The Fisherman and His Wife. Once upon a time, there used to live a fisherman with his wife near the cliff at the sea. He used to go for the fishing every day, and he was very happy for leading his humble life. But the wife was not very much happy because of living in a stinky small house. And some days they don't even had food to eat when the fisherman didn't got any fishes from the sea. One day when the fisherman went for the fisherman went for fishing, he got a flounder. He said the flounder was talking to the fisherman, and he was so surprised. After that, the flounder asked for help that if he leave, he will give in a good deed. And the flounder also said that he was an enchanted prince. So the fisherman let it go. Uh, let the fish to go, and after that he explained the full thing happened near the sea to his wife. The wife was so angry that he didn't had any wish from the enchanted prince. So the wife said that she will be happy if he got a cottage from that flounder. So the fisherman went to the flounder and asked for a cottage. Then flounder gave the cottage gave a cottage for them. After that, the uh, the wife asked the fisherman that he want to become a princess. Then again, when he went near the sea was very purple in color, and there was a heavy wind. After that, he called the flounder, and the flounder gave a big palace and made her wife as princess. And after that, the wife want to become almighty, and she want to control the sun and the moon. For that, the when the fisherman went to ask the flounder, then the water was so black in color, and there was thunder rumbling and a heavy wind. The flounder came. After that, the fisherman asked the flounder that his wife want to become almighty unknown. So the flounder gave it to her wife. uh, After that, the wife was not there uh, in the kingdom. So that he came to the flounder and asked why the wife is not there, why was his wife is not there. So the flounder replied that his wife want to be unknown, so she was being unknown, as nobody seen the almighty, nobody can be the almighty. So that the fisherman requested flounder till now that he gave all the wishes that his wife asked. The fisherman now asked his first wish that his wife should be happy, so that when he returned to his house, he got his stinky house, and his wife back. Then his wife understood that nothing makes happy than a better life. So that they lived on happily, and they didn't sleep anymore with the empty stomachs. This is our today's English fairy tale. Thank you.